Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing week 1 of our October check-in, which is going to run from, I don't know why I just did that, it's going to run from the 3rd through the 9th. Now we have spent some money. That's because I just had to, because my mom was down. I just wanted to spoil her a little bit. So we will get into that. Before we get started, there's 2 things I want to tell y'all. First, make sure y'all go and subscribe down below. Let me know if y'all have any channels, if y'all want me to go and support you guys, because I will support you guys and I would love to get to know you guys. Second, a lot of people on Instagram has messaged me and asked, where is the sinking fund video? Well, here's your answer. I was going to go and film my sinking fund and stuff my envelopes and everything, and I got hit with a medical bill. So all that extra money that I had, what was it, like $120, $112, something like that. Yeah, all that had to go towards medical bill. So I don't know what I'm going to do. We are just not going to be stuffing, I guess. And we're just going to have to stuff next paycheck, which is on the 18th. So I'm sorry, I'm very sad also, because they are my favorite videos to film. But life happens, and I'm just going to stay positive, because I mean, I'm going to earn the money anyhow. Sooner or later, I'm going to build it up back up. So I'm not stressing about it. It's fine, okay? We're all going to live here. But anyway, so let's just get started so this video will not take long. On Thursday, on the 3rd, we had a no spend. So Thursday is usually a no spend day for me. And then on the 4th was also a no spend. The stickers that I will be using is Simply Cami. Absolutely love her. Her birthday is actually coming up, so I'm planning something really, really cool, or sending her something really cool. So hopefully she will get that soon. I'm going to try to send it out. Try to send it out Friday, but we'll have to see, because I have a wedding that I have to attend and everything, and I'm in it. So it's going to be very busy. All right, on Saturday we were busy as usual. We got gas, which is $20. I was literally running on E, so I had to fill up on that. Alright, and then we went to Walmart because my mom was down. Like I said, she came down on Friday and she stayed until Sunday. So Saturday, while we were watching the game and everything, we decided to do some pumpkins. So we painted some pumpkins, and I posted it on my Facebook, or my mom posted it on Facebook. So I thought they were really cute. So we got painted pumpkins, and then also we went to go see my brother, because he is a store owner for Aaron's, which is a furniture store, and he had a white dresser that kind of like matches my bed suit, and Jared has been wanting a side table for his, and he was selling it for like $25. It was originally like $200 and something, but they couldn't sell it, so he marked it down to $25, you guys. So I decided to surprise Jared, and I used my fun money. So that was $25, plus we did pumpkins, which was $8. So that is 25 plus 8, and it was $33. Yes, I used my fun money on a dresser. And that is perfectly fine, because I love surprising my fiance. I love buying stuff for people. So I thought that was really fun, and that's how I'm going to spend my money. But yeah, so that's what we did. I bought a dresser, and then we painted some pumpkins, which was really, really fun. I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit, just so y'all can see. Alright, so moving on Saturday we also went to Pensacola. Now if y'all have seen my Asian grocery haul, absolutely love it. The Asian store is my favorite store. Make sure you go and check that out. So we went to the Asian store, and I paid $55. And like I said, I videotaped it, so make sure you go and check that out. But yeah, spent $55, bought some groceries for my mom also because she wanted some. And that is it. Alright, so for the 6th, we were going to go to the beach, and then we got halfway there and the clouds were like black. And it was really bad. It was very sunny at our place, my apartment and everything. And then it was black. So we turned back around, went to go see my brother and my nephews. And we ended up in Pensacola again. So we got some breakfast, which we absolutely love. What's it called? Gas station biscuits. If y'all have not tried gas station biscuits, y'all are missing out. Their biscuits are super fluffy and absolutely love them. I'm just saying. You can't hate on it if you haven't tried it, you guys. And that was $5 for 2 sausage biscuits. And we ate that on the way to the beach before we turned back around. Alright, and then, you know, we went to the Asian store again. We didn't buy anything. We went to Joe Patty's, which is a really big seafood place that sells fresh fish on the weekends, or I think pretty much every day. But Saturday is when you want to go, but Sunday was less crowded, so we went there. I didn't buy anything. Alright, and then we went to Barnes & Noble, and I used my cushion money. And you guys, I bought my first wedding gift. Not gift, but wedding item, which I'm going to show y'all just a second. I'm going to go grab it, and then I will show you guys. Alright, you guys, so this is what I got at Barnes & Noble, and it's for the wedding. Look at this. 2 crystal glass wine glasses, which I don't like wine, but I can still put something else in it during our wedding. And it has like a diamond at the, it's like diamond design, I guess, at the end. And then there's like glitter right here, which absolutely love. So this is what it looks like. And let me tell you guys how much it was. So it was in the clearance bin. It was supposed to be $40 and it was 30% off. So that was only $27 I had to pay, because I also had a Barnes & Noble membership. So that was an extra 10% off, so I didn't have to pay taxes. So I ended up paying only $28, which was like 27 something, so it's $28. But that's what we spent. And then moving on with more cushion money, actually. I had to buy some sticky boobs off of Amazon, so that was $10 because I needed it for my bridesmaid's dress this weekend. And then I think that is it. Yes, that is it. So we did $28 and $10, so that was $38 that we spent. So we'll say wedding. And then boobs. It was sticky boobs, which I'm probably going to return those because they actually didn't look right on me. And I need some more coverage, you guys. I really do. Alright, so that's going to go right there. And then my mom and I went to Target. And I treated my mom to some Starbucks because why not? And I think Target Starbucks, I want to say that was in the fun money. That's what I think I was going to say. I think it's in the fun money. Alright, so that was Starbucks. Alright, and then that is it for the 6th. Now on the 7th we had a no spin, and also on the 9th was a no spin day also. So we are going to just go ahead and put those there. And then on the 8th we did out to eat, which let me rephrase that. I went to the gift shop at work because we had leftover tacos. Didn't have any taco shells or tortillas, so I went to the gift shop and I bought a small bag of Doritos. And then my friend, which is my really, really good friend, she's another scrub tech that works with me. Her favorite snack or like sweet tooth item was Oreos. So I surprised her and I was like, oh, well, here, I got your favorite snacks, because we like to snack on it together. But she ultimately loves that stuff. So I used my out to eat money, which was literally $2, you guys. So that is how much I spent at the gift shop. And I had my taco salad and my friend ate her cookies. Alright, so let me flip back over one more time before we do our actual check-in. Alright, you guys, so here it is. On Thursday, the 3rd, then 4th, 7th, and 9th, we had no spins, so that is 4 no spins in 1 week. Saturday, we went to the Asian store, we painted pumpkins, got gas, then we had breakfast, I bought some wedding stuff, and then we went to Starbucks for some coffee, well, Target, Starbucks, and then we went out to eat again. So that is everything for that. Let's move on to the check-in. Alright, so for groceries, all we spent was $55, so that is $45 minus. And then balance is $45. Gas, we only spent $20. So that means we have $40 left. Fun money, so this is going to be a tricky one. So I'm going to have to figure it out. So $8 for the pumpkins. $25 for the dresser. And then I want to say the Starbucks gift card. So that was $43 that we spent. So I should have $17. We'll have to check that out. Did I add everything? We'll check it in a minute. I can't remember. But it should be 17 maybe. Alright, out to eat. We did breakfast. And then we did gift shop, which was $7. So we should have $13 left. Okay. And then cushion, we spent $28 and $10 for boobs. So that was 28 plus 10. That was $38 that we spent. $22. And then sinking funds, we did not spend anything. And I have not stuffed anything. So our total right now, let's see what our last total was. $754. Alright, you guys, real quick, let's go and check our envelopes. Hopefully that's right. So $45 for groceries. $20, $40, and $45. Gas, we should have $40 left. Let's see. Fun money, we should have 17. Let's see. 20, 25, 26, 27. So I should have $27 left. Alright, then out to eat was $13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So that was right. So what is the fun money? I'm going to check back to make sure, and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys, so I figured it out. I had to go back and look on my debit card. So the Target Starbucks that I written down, that was $10, that actually came out of my cushion. So I swiped my card on that. So we're just going to have to fix that real quick. So instead of 38, we spent 48. And then instead of 43, we spent 33, right? I think that's right. All right, so it'll be 60 minus 33 equals $27. And then 60 minus 48 will equals to $12 left. And then to confirm, let's go to Fun Money. 20, 25, 26, 27. So all of this is probably going to be gone because I got to get my nails done for the wedding. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all enjoyed this. Let me know if y'all have a channel, like I said at the very beginning. And I will see you guys later. And hopefully y'all have a great week. Bye.